In other news, the US Space Force is planning a new strategy to counter China's aggression in Indo-Pacific. However, the new plans have prompted warnings of the escalation of a new electronic warfare battle when Donald Trump returns to office. Here's how.
China's growing aggression in the Indo-Pacific region, increasing concern and defensive measures by neighbors. With the impending return of Donald Trump to the Oval Office, the battles are all set to escalate further. Only ironically, the quest for dominance overseas could be battled out in space. The US Space Force has plans to deploy jammers that can disrupt satellite signals. These remote modular terminals are aimed at breaking China's expanding satellite surveillance network, especially its Yaogan series. China's Yaogan satellites can track objects as small as a car from space. They provide continuous surveillance over the Indo-Pacific Command. The US considers Indo-Pacific critical in undermining China's area denial operations that rely on satellite surveillance, which is why it wants to deploy up to 200 jammers focusing on the Indo-Pacific alone. The aim is to block data transmission and markedly degrade the effectiveness of the PLA Aerospace Force satellite. Space jammers primarily interfere with radar satellites and infrared satellites, which makes systems in a low Earth orbit like a Starlink more vulnerable. While RMT's specific capabilities are unknown, they are designed to block satellite-to-satellite communications and data links rather than prevent a satellite from gathering intelligence. But there is the danger. Once the US deploys them, China will respond with a similar countermeasure capability, effectively setting the stage for a new electronic warfare battle. This has played out in Ukraine war, where Russia has repeatedly tried to jam Starlink. It is expected to hold true in all future conflicts as well, which means each side will try to make better jammers, and the other will counter it with more jamming resistant signals, thereby taking modern warfare to newer levels. Bureau Report, we are on World is One.